students, my name is Nitisha and I am your computer teacher. Today our first lesson is on friendly computer. First of all, who is a friend, children? A friend is someone or something that helps us. We have many friends now, children. How do your friends help you? They help us in many ways. In the same way, a computer also helps us in many ways. And now we will see some points like how a computer helps us. A computer helps us in many ways, like watching cartoons, listening to music, playing games, and most importantly, children, it helps us in doing homework.
As it helps us in so many things, can we call a computer our friend, children? Yes, we can call a computer our friend. But children, do you all know how a computer looks like? Children, like how we human beings have different body parts, in the same way a computer also has different parts.
Now children, I am going to draw the parts of the computer and label them. See and learn. Children, do you know what this is? Yes, this is a monitor. But children, do you know the spelling of this monitor? Let's see. The spelling of the monitor is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. This is the spelling of the monitor. Spell it, children. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Okay, children. Now we will see how a keyboard looks like. See this, children. Keyboard has many keys, children. They look in the shape of box. We have so many types of keys, children. Here we have an enter key. Enter key looks like L, reverse L. And then we have a space bar. A long bar is called the space bar. Keyboard, children. The spelling of the keyboard is K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. This is the spelling of a keyboard. Now children, spell it. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. This is the spelling of the keyboard. And now we will learn how to draw a CPU. The big box is called a CPU, children. It has a power button. Children, do you know that CPU is the important part of the computer? Because CPU is also called as the brain of the computer, children. And let's see the spelling of the CPU. CPU. Simple now, children? Now the final part, children. This is a mouse. It has two buttons, children. This is the left button and the right button. And now we will learn the spelling of the mouse. What is the spelling of the mouse, children? Yes. M-O-U-S-E. Now spell it, children. M-O-U-S-E. All these four parts, monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU together is known as a computer. And now all these three parts, monitor, keyboard and mouse, are connected to CPU. Now we'll connect the monitor, keyboard and mouse to CPU, children. These are connected by cables. Cables are nothing but wires, children. And now this CPU is connected to a switch. Do you all know what is a switch, children? Yes. This is a switch. The CPU cable is connected to the switch to get power. Without power supply, the computer does not work, children. It needs power.
So children, now let us once again go through what we have learned today. First, we learned the ways that a computer helps us. After that, we learned different parts of a computer with diagram and their spellings. And for the next class, children, I want you to learn the spellings of each part of the computer. And in our next lesson, we will be learning about different types of machines. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.